Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on natural language processing using Python. We have gone through plenty of videos on natural language processing using Python, such as speech to text conversion using command prompt using Streamlit, then language translation using Streamlit, then open browser google.com using speech recognition, then open Google search through speech recognition, then we have seen open YouTube using speech recognition, and also we have seen speech to text and text to speech conversion, and many more. Today's video is really innovative and creative. I will be converting video file of which I make videos, a video file into text. For that I need to convert video file into audio file and then audio file into text file. Now we can see here only two files are there, and this is my video file which I am uploading when I created the video. This is one video file of my one video. Now you can see here, this is my video file. To my creative channel to watch more innovative videos coming from multiple also MediaPipe, and so this is all about my video file. Now I need to convert this video file into text. For that I will be converted into, first step I will convert it into audio file. So you can see here only two files are there, and that is my video file, Python face alignment. So we will go through the program. So I will be converting this into audio wave file, the audio file of my video file. You can see here extension is mkv video file. So yes, fine. Now we will check it whether yes, audio file has been created. We can listen here. To my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on machine, let us go through the program code. I will show the initial state of the program JPG. Now we will see the output. This and DLIB. So this is, now I need to convert it into text. Convert from video file to text or audio file to text. So for that I will execute Python 3. Yes, writing audio file which I just created, done, and now processing, converted into text. It will take some time. Please be patient. So this technique I was trying from last 2 days. Finally I succeed. It is converting into text, so it will take some time. Yes, it is, few seconds are left. Yes, now we will see the text file. So this is what I speak on the YouTube, creative channel, videos and DLIB library, this thing. So I successfully done with conversion from video file to audio file and from audio file to text. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on natural language processing, Streamlit, then MTCNN, then DLIB, face recognition, face detection, then age and gender classification, fruits and vegetable classification, then more and more interesting videos on MTCNN and FaceNet, then face login, and many more. So for latest videos about machine learning, keep watching my channel Sanjay Mahajan youtube.com on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.